In our fast-paced and ever-evolving world, many individuals seek a sense of purpose and fulfillment beyond the material realm. This longing for spiritual growth and personal transformation has led many on a quest to discover the path to a more meaningful life. One such path that holds immense transformative power is the journey of sanctification. Sanctification, often associated with religious and spiritual practices, offers a deep and profound process that can unlock the potential for personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. In this article, we will unveil the secrets of sanctification and explore how it can lead to a path of spiritual maturity and transformation. Discovering the path to spiritual growth. The path to spiritual growth lies in the discovery of one's true self and the connection to something greater than oneself. It is a journey that requires self-reflection, introspection, and a willingness to explore the depths of one's soul. Sanctification provides a framework for this exploration, guiding individuals towards a deeper understanding of their purpose and place in the universe. Through practices such as meditation, prayer, and self-discipline, individuals can tap into their inner resources and discover the path to spiritual growth. Unveiling the secrets of sanctification. Sanctification is not a one-size-fits-all approach to spiritual growth. Rather, it is a deeply personal and individualized process. It involves the purification of one's mind, body, and spirit, allowing for the transformation of negative patterns and habits. By embracing practices that promote self-awareness, individuals can uncover the secrets of sanctification and embark on a path of personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. It is through this process that the transformative power of sanctification is revealed. Journeying towards spiritual transformation. The journey towards spiritual transformation is not an easy one. It requires dedication, commitment, and a willingness to face one's fears and insecurities. However, it is precisely through this journey that one can experience the profound and lasting change that comes with sanctification. Through the cultivation of virtues such as compassion, forgiveness, and gratitude, individuals can transform their lives and the lives of those around them. Unleashing the potential of sanctification. Sanctification holds within it the potential for profound personal growth and spiritual transformation. By embracing the teachings and practices associated with this path, individuals can tap into their inherent potential and become the best version of themselves. The transformative power of sanctification lies in its ability to change not only the individual, but also the world around them. By embodying the principles of sanctification, individuals can become catalysts for positive change and inspire others to embark on their own path of spiritual growth. Embarking on a path of spiritual maturity. Embarking on a path of spiritual maturity requires a commitment to self-improvement and a willingness to let go of old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve our growth. Sanctification provides a roadmap for this journey, offering guidance and support along the way. By embracing the principles of sanctification, individuals can navigate the challenges and obstacles that arise on the path to spiritual maturity and emerge stronger, wiser, and more enlightened. Unveiling the key to personal transformation. The key to personal transformation lies in the practice of sanctification. By engaging in self-reflection, meditation, and acts of service, individuals can unlock the transformative power of sanctification and experience profound change in their lives. It is through this process that one can shed old patterns and beliefs, and cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and spiritual growth. Embracing the power of sanctification. In a world that often prioritizes material success and external validation, embracing the power of sanctification offers a path to true fulfillment and spiritual growth. By engaging in practices that promote self-reflection, self-discipline, and selflessness, individuals can tap into their inner resources and unleash the transformative power of sanctification. This journey towards spiritual enlightenment may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. By embracing the power of sanctification, individuals can embark on a lifelong journey of personal transformation and experience a profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. The transformative power of sanctification is a beacon of hope in a world that often feels fragmented and disconnected. By embracing the principles and practices associated with this path, individuals can unlock their inner potential and embark on a journey of personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. Let us embrace the power of sanctification and discover the path to true fulfillment and transformation.